Hey Robert, what's this? Electricity in the upper lights looks amazing. I gotta shave, oh my god. Day 46, everybody. I just woke up like a few minutes ago. Robert is so sweet. I just had to push the button on the coffee maker to get the coffee, because we know how much we like the coffee. Robert's not in the suite here, so I'm guessing he's like maybe working in the bus. It's early. It's also Sunday, which we have traditionally during this crazy build been taking off as sort of our rest day, but we really want to plow through a lot more of the bus because we're hoping to pull out of here in like a week and a half or 2 weeks. So let's go check on Robert and see what he's doing.
Good morning.
What are you doing?
Taking the bus.
Oh, because it's not straight enough for you?
Yeah.
Okay.
We gotta get it up.
All right.
Oh shit.
Ding, ding, ding. An hour later, I'm still drinking coffee and Robert is out in the bus. I better go help him. I'm gonna pour a little bit more coffee here. Carry on. Robert has been diligently working, getting these walls insulated. So that's 2 layers of insulation now.
You're done.
Keep it warm in here as much as possible. So this board here is something I just quickly put together, and I'm going to attach our components for all the electrical here, and we are going to run all of the wires for the solar electrical into there, and there's going to be a fuse box and the charge controller. So it's going to be a mess of cords, but I'll neaten it all up. We're going to get the paneling done in the rest of this part of the roof here, and then also across these ugly seams finally, and then start working on the overhead there with the puck lights underneath. All right, so we're getting the paneling on the ceiling done. On the underside here, these are going to be the little cupboard doors there and there. So we're just about to cut some cardboard templates to put across here because it's such a wonky shape, and that'll be the facing. So I'm just working on the wiring here and the switches. I'll give you a quick look of it. These are the undermount lights that are going to go up into here. Ding, they're LEDs, they're super low voltage, 12 volt. And low amperage. Here's where the switch is going to go for these lights on the wall here. I'm just using this yellow as my ground. And then the wires go up through there and they feed all the way back into there, which is where the fuse box is going to be. So again, I had this portable box that we were testing the refrigerator on that I use for Burning Man, but it also is helpful to test the wiring before we close stuff up. So I've got those lights that I just installed hooked up to there. So pretty exciting. I've got my switch here. Click, we have power. It looks great. Oh wait, I want to turn the light off? Off. Oh, I want it on? On. Awesome. Successful power install with switches. Oh hey Robert, what's this? Electricity in the upper lights looks amazing. Cool. Yes, it's a good day. Okay, we got these front panels on. They're looking great. Of course, the hardware will be hidden by trim. And the cool thing is these cutouts can actually have a frame trim built around them, and then that actually becomes the door for both sides. So you're not wasting any wood. You just have to build a little frame, so pretty cool. And then of course, one more time, the lights. We have power, the lights. Okay, just putting in this panel here. It's kind of a small piece, but there's a metal here, so I want to make sure that it doesn't get cold.
Hey, you guys still working?
Hi,
What
Mom.
the hey?
Oh my goodness. Groucho Marx.
It's party time.
Party time with Groucho Marx. Is it happy hour?
It's happy hour.
Okay, let us
Knock
finish
it off.
this and then we're
Come
coming.
on down. All right.
All right. Bye, Groucho. I guess we're wrapping it up per Mom's orders. Hey everybody, so we did happy hour and dinner with the family, but we decided we'd come back to the bus now that it's nighttime and see how it looks with the light in here. It's not completely dark outside, but it lights up really nice. It's a nice warm light, and it's not too bright, but it's bright enough to see everything that you need. So super happy with the progress today. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night.
Aloha.